In front of me is Samsung Galaxy XCover 7, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply Rosemary font. Begin by opening Settings and clicking on Display. Then select Font Size and Style. Go into Font Style and tap on Download Fonts. Now you can click on this icon next to Rosemary one to install it, or click on it and tap on Install at the bottom. Either way, when it's ready, you can go back to Font Style Settings and click on it to apply it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!